This performance includes copyrighted materials which have been properly licensed specifically for this event. However, audio and/or video recording for rebroadcast or distribution in any way, without the express written consent and proper license from the author, is a violation of federal copyright law and is prohibited. Thank you for your cooperation.
Hello, Lindsay. Welcome to Asian Music Theory.
All right. Okay, we're going to actually, Dustin, you're going to have to turn it so she can see the board here. I'd have to do. Okay, so she's moving along. Jamie, I need you to make a change to your notation on the board for your chord, because if you notice, everyone, the rule states that you keep the common tone, which is exactly what Jamie did. She kept the common tone. And then the rule states that the remaining two voices must move in stepwise motion in the same direction. And right now, the way Jamie has it written, it's going in opposite directions. So we have to make a change. I was going to say, did you find the eraser? And I'll take attendance while you do that.
I know.
Correct. Actually, you have 3 C's.
Yeah, 3 C's. Okay, so.
You have to ask you how that was. Don't. I thought about you during 5th hour. Oh yeah, Dustin's doing his.
You know, warm coffee, if it's not in a warm environment, gets cold.
I just forgot what
Oh, that's what I thought. All right, then Lindsay did the next one. So Jeremy, you're on for the next chord.
Yay, Jeremy, my man. What did you say?
It's warm
And
outside.
today, but it's supposed to cool off as the day progresses.
I'm excited.
I'm not.
Cold front.
I like.
What's up with all this warm weather?
I love the warm weather.
No.
What do you mean no?
I like the cold weather.
Oh, see, and I hibernate as soon as it gets cold. I'm like, brr.
Go to sleep for 6 months. That's
Pretty
weird.
much. Pretty much. Okay, where's your common tone, Jeremy?
Common tone's gonna be F.
Okay, so always do the common tone. Shh. Everyone, it's always, when you're doing the 4-part writing in box style, you always want to do the common tone first so that you know which other 2 voices you're working with and then figuring out which direction they go for. The other thing that helps that all of you were doing yesterday at some point in time to avoid frustration and mental anguish was writing down the letter names of the chords that you're dealing with.
When you first learned this, was it a little hard for you too?
Of course.
Okay, just making sure.
But
I don't want to be the only one.
and in college though,
Okay.
what we are doing and spending time on for 3 days, they did in one class period and expected you to
Yeah.
know. And in fact, in that one class period, we not only covered rule 1, we covered 5 rules
That's
in one day. So, all right, then Dustin, next one.
all right. Grab most away first.
My hand.
I'm gonna keep my book this time. You know.
Nope, you're not gonna do it from the board.
What are you laughing at here?
Find the common tone between the 2 chords.
I think no. We're in D flat. We have D flat. So B flat, G, B flat, and E flat,
Mm-hmm.
and that.
What's the common tone?
Looking B flat.
Okay, so find the B flat and keep the common tone. No, remember you don't look in the bass.
Yeah, you can't look at
Gotta look in soprano, alto, or tenor.
How many flats?
Here's the common tone. Are we writing arrows for the common tones? No one else did here,
I did.
but I will. Okay.
Good.
Then we have a G, and A, B, C, D, E, F. Why is there an F there? Oh yeah, because it's gonna move up to a G.
Mm-hmm.
I think.
Yep.
And this one's gonna move up to an E.
Mm-hmm. Good. All right, Manny, you've got the next one.
I'll erase my comment.
And then I will be checking your chord positions from that was due yesterday.
Here you go, buddy.
See your corrections as Manny does his chord. Manny, do you need my help up the chord?
I don't think so.
Okay. Well, close your book and just do it from what Dustin has written.
I gotta go blow my nose. Not that you need to know that, but whatever.
No, you just have to make notations of open and closed position on those T.
Oh, I didn't. Okay.
No.
Yes.
I think I got it all.
The same.
Yeah.
Why are your ledger lines like
And why do you have
4
a K
inches?
Huh?
in the corner?
What are you talking about?
Why are your ledger lines like 4 inches
And
above?
another A here.
What's that?
That's
And you got
supposed to
an
go.
F in here,
No, ledger line's
and an
supposed to
F
go
in here,
1, 2,
and an F
3.
in there.
Where your
and
first
an
one
F
is.
in
This is where your
there.
third one's.
You
Where the
changed
third one's
your
supposed to be.
chord from a
Calm
GBD
down.
chord to a GBF chord.
Manny's complaining about my ledger line.
I changed it from a
C,
GBE
D,
chord
E.
to a GBF.
Look at that. His ledger lines should be right here. His first one should be where the third one should.
Well, he's got to go based off of the people before him. So he's going
Yes, I
on
do.
based off the people before him. He can't go down.
So you can yell at Jeremy.
Dustin,
Yeah, but
I'm
there's
sorry.
not-
My
not
Jeremy?
like
Terrible.
The other one.
Lindsay, Jamie. You went wrong.
No.
Stephanie started it.
Stephanie.
Mine is the first one, and mine is correct.
Yes. See that?
So,
So Stephanie's is in line, and then
Mine's a little bit slanted.
mine's a little bit slanted a little more, and
And
then
then Jeremy.
jumps up.
Yeah.
Jeremy jumper.
Yeah.
Jerry, you've got to add your stems.
Stems.
Add all those stems. Because if they don't have stems, then I would have to mark it incorrect.
B, C,
Where are we
D,
at?
E,
Otherwise,
F, G. Ah. That's fine.
Ooh, hello.
A, B. Good. What do I want to?
Stems.
You know they
So
want.
we have an
This isn't doing
A, E, C,
Oh, you're checking my G one.
What note is that supposed to be?
A, B.
Mom?
Look at you, I mean, Nick. Of all people.
In a G chord, I need. Well, I'm pairing it with
That's
three
not
over
funny.
here.
That's an A.
So it's got to be a third. Let's be a B.
Correct. So you wrote it as a B treble clef instead of as a B bass clef like that one.
Oh, I see. All right. I think I might have done that a lot, but I understand where you're coming from now because the tenor and the bass line have to be as if they're down here,
Right.
right? Okay.
Which then means
Wow.
that these two are the same.
Well, I hope
on
you
Now,
beat
to make
that.
them different, you would have to make this go down and down.
Oh, okay.
Uh-huh.
Leave the B where it was, change the G and put it down.
Also,
Where did I go wrong?
B, C.
Jeremy?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. No, I don't have the, like,
So this one.
No, the first one is.
It's
Oh
got
wait, I keep
treble,
looking at the.
correct?
Dude, I knew it.
I was
Yeah, that's why. Okay, never mind.
I just compared them to this one.
So did I.
Okay, so
I
this
don't
one.
know what happened.
Okay, so the bottom one is G. The next one's D.
The stem on that E needs
The
to
next
go downward.
bottom is a G. And the
There
next
you
E.
go.
Precise.
Nice. Hey, then Jamie, do the last one up on the board, please.
I'm not allowed to bring my notes.
Yeah.
I'll just.
I'm not allowed to bring my notes.
It's okay. Yeah, it should move up.
It's okay?
It should move up a little bit.
It was
You're
such a
hanging
good
out
try.
in
It was
the
such a good
top
try.
area. And then this, you've got 3 voices in the bass. So you gotta
I want to do mine in pink.
rewrite that, baby. There's no space. Annie, let's see your 15. Denotate open and close position
So-
on them. You don't need to, can you read that?
Yes.
There, Jeremy. I read it.
Where are you?
Thanks, bud.
Hey, this is a B, isn't it?
No.
No, here it is.
This is starting to click a little bit more now. Now that I was
No.
forced to do
Yes. Yes, it would be.
Yep.
So is this G
Good.
the common?
Okay, so then you gotta fix these guys, because they're all in bass glove.
There's no, oh, there's.
No.
G, C, B, A, G, F.
Which one didn't you understand?
I just started this one because I have these here.
Mm-hmm.
So,
B.
You had everything right, except for you had put your D back where it belongs. Put your B back where it belongs for the soprano. The only note that you had
D,
wrong
C,
was the
B,
A. You need it as a G, and you wrote it as an A. So draw your ledger line, and instead of putting the note on the ledger line, put it below the ledger line for the G. And that's the only thing that was wrong. Okay? Now you got an A in here, and I think it's because you saw the A over here, so just change that to a G.
Jamie, I'm proud of you.
Jamie?
Yeah.
Well, Jamie,
Alright.
And then you would do the same thing, get rid of the A here, and go below the ledger line to get yourself a G.
G, C, B.
All right.
So this one's right?
Mm-hmm. And you need to get rid of your F and change that to a D. And then the same thing with these. 3 Fs all need to go to Ds. And then you're missing a G,
D, C,
and you're out on that one. All right, otherwise I think everybody now has their 15 positions. And we have our completed 4-part voice writing. Now, what does Monday look like for a test on chapter 3?
Which means writing.
I have a paper and a lab report and a take-home test due on Tuesday.
Okay.
Well, I have APS history,
So then would your preference be to do it on Wednesday?
Shorten class period. That'd be an issue. Could we get done?
Well, it's only on chapter 3.
I don't know how long it is.
Yes, my preference. That's mine.
What about everybody else? Then we would have,
I don't care either day.
Yeah, either day will be fine.
I don't really have tests.
I'll just run out.
Wednesday.
I took all my tests last
Wednesday
day.
will be
I don't
good.
have time to study this
I don't like
week.
testing the first day of the week.
okay. Okay, so our goal then will be Wednesday of next week. So the only reason why I asked is because if we were gonna do